Here's my setup. So first of all, I have one tank of males, second tank of males, and third tank of females. Now the second tank here, you can see I've got a lot of brown slime growing. It usually occurs every time that I use the weekend feeders. So I was wondering what suggestions you have for getting rid of that problem. The fish seem healthy, the ammonia levels are fine, but the brown algae is growing pretty quickly. This third tank, like I mentioned, is all my females. I was wondering if that's a good way of doing it, of having a separate tank of females. I have two breeding tanks, and usually what I do is in the morning before lights come on, I'll net some males and some females and put them in the breeding tanks. But I have a funny feeling that adds a lot of stress to the fish, and I was wondering if there's a better way, if I should put the fish in the night before, or but I was wondering, once again, the next morning the water temperatures and that kind of thing would be a little bit different. I just haven't tried that. I don't know if you can see, but my females are pretty gravid at this point. I'm going to try to breed them again this week. I've been breeding about once a week. My last time I got about 1,000 eggs, which leads to another question: is how many eggs do you think I'll need for 3 classes? Over here is what I'm using for incubators. I have a cooler. I did the temperature experiment, and I used the cooler for 22 degrees, and then I was able to set my water incubator, and then I have my third incubator right there, which is a little larger. It's also a water incubator.